This video shows you how to install paper transport with folding option on your printer. Depending on the model, the appearance of your printer may vary. Note, this task requires a flathead screwdriver. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Open the box. Remove the paper transport with folding option and its accessories. Unpack the accessories for the option. Remove the plastic cover from the option, and then remove the pieces of tape.
Balhin ko.
Remove the standard bin. Place the exit bin flag in the closed position. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the backup roller. Attach the feed roller. Attach the roller cover. Open the front door, and then remove the cover on the left side of the printer. Remove the left rear cover. Remove the inner bin cover. Remove the paper transport connector cover. Insert the inner bin cover that came with the option, and then install the screws. Attach the piece of foam tape to the right side of the option. Attach the piece of foam tape to the rear of the option. Open door F, and then tighten the screws. Close door F. Attach the option to the printer. Attach the metal bracket to the option, and then install the screws. Open door F. Install the screw using the screwdriver that came with the option. Close door F. Attach the left rear cover. Attach the left side cover. Close the front door. Raise the bin flap, and then align and attach the option bin. Install the screws in the option bin. Attach the trim cover. Connect the option cable to the printer. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.